Hello everyone, I am Devjit and this is my first video on YouTube. So please do watch it and comment below if there are any flaws on it so I can improve myself. Okay, so I have done this video in order to share my experience I have had so far with Gate Academy. So I'm an engineering student from EC background, Electronics and Communication Engineering. So I had purchased a course, the GATE course from Gate Academy. I would like to show you the details of it. It is the G Drive full course for Electronics and Communication Engineering, GATE 2021 Genius Combo. Okay, so it consisted of 12 workbooks. So the workbooks were available in PDF form as well as in printed form, means soft copy and hard copy. You would also get a bag with it, and the most important for which reason I had purchased this combo was the previous year question bank. Okay, so the previous year, all the previous year GATE questions, so that were included in this pack. So I had purchased it. It took me around 32,000 rupees excluding GST. Okay, so I would directly move on to the overview. So firstly, I would like to give a brief introduction about the subjects you have to study for Electronics and Communication Engineering if you're opting for GATE. Okay, so the subjects are, firstly you have network theory, then analog electronics, then communication systems, then electronic devices, then signals and systems, then EM theory, means electromagnetic theory and transmission lines. And yes, these are the subjects, means these are the 8 technical subjects, and along with it you have engineering maths and then aptitude quants, that portion. Okay, that is the non-technical portion. So I would like to talk on the technical portions only. Okay, so I had started with the network theory. Okay, so this is the basic subject I think every one of you should have a thorough understanding of to proceed on to the next subjects. For example, analog electronics, so this you cannot do without doing this network theory. So you have to have a very good grasp of this network theory in order to solve questions in analog electronics. Okay, to understand the analog electronics very clearly. Okay, so network theory was taught by Umesh Dhande sir. So he is the director of GATE Academy and he is an excellent teacher, means a gifted teacher, means words would not be able to describe him, means he is in a different level. So his teaching is excellent, means he teaches so well and he communicates with his students so well. So please do watch his videos on YouTube. Please do watch his videos on YouTube. So you will surely like it. And you will also get a good grasp of the concepts. Okay, so he taught this subject very well. So I had a very good start of my course, and then I moved on to control systems. It was also taught by him. Okay, so this control systems and network theory, so these two subjects are taught by Umesh Dhande sir himself. Okay, so control system also very well he taught. So all the subjects where he ran very deep into this into the concepts of this subject. So I really liked hearing his lectures. Okay, so he did pretty well job. So these two subjects were very well prepared by me through his teachings. And then next I moved on to signals and systems. So signals and system, why I opted for it earlier, you can also do this. I would recommend for you to do this because signals and systems, it has a vast syllabus. Okay, so it is a very huge subject, means it has a very lengthy syllabus. So please do it earlier so you don't have pressure in the at the last. So please do it earlier, and it has many concepts, many formulae. So please do it as soon as possible. Okay, don't do it at the start, but do it I would like you to do it second or third, like this. Okay, so I did it third. So yes, I had to write around 4 copies. Okay, so I took notes equivalent to 4 copies. Each copy had around 320 pages. So you can see it comes to around 1200 pages. So it is an entire book. The Cedra Smith book that you have in analog electronics, it is around 1100 pages. So you can understand how much notes I took. Yes, it also consists of the problems I solved, but still if you leave those portions, then say around 800 pages or 600 700 pages, so that is huge. Okay, so he covered almost every concept that you need in this GATE exam, so he taught it very well. And next I moved on to electronic devices. Okay, electronic devices was taught by Shishir sir, so he also taught it pretty well, very well he taught it. From the root level, the understandings were made by him, so I took a grasp of the concepts very easily. Means he taught it so well, and he always reminded us of the concepts he taught in his previous lectures, in the present lectures. So those were very well stuck in my mind. So the MOSFET portion, the MOS capacitor, so these portions were very well taught by him. So you will not get a problem after you hear his lecture. Okay. And next I moved on to analog electronics. So this was also a very huge syllabus. Analog electronics means the op-amp only had around 800 lectures, the op-amp portion. So guess how much big of a topic is this analog electronics. Okay, so this subject was also very well taught by Deeptanshu sir. He taught it analog electronics. Some portions, only diet portion was taught by Shishir sir, but the rest were all covered by him. So he also taught pretty well. So all the concepts, all formulae related to the concepts. The op-amp portion I told you, especially op-amp portion, these were very neatly and very clearly taught by him. And next, after that, I moved on to the difficult subject, electromagnetic theory and transmission lines. It is considered to be a very difficult subject by every engineering student. I myself also thought it was a very difficult subject, but mind, believe me, so once you hear his lectures, you will get a good grasp of the subject altogether. So he also taught pretty well, Saket sir. He also taught communication systems. Communication systems I did at the last, so that was also done pretty well. That was also neatly covered by sir. So he didn't skip any portions, he covered all the portions. Okay. Next I moved on to digital electronics. It also was a huge subject. So digital electronics, so that was taught by Jasuja sir. So the counters portion, he taught it really well. He taught different concepts, how to use it, different methods of solving the counter problems. Okay, asynchronous, synchronous counter. So that you will get to know once you start to see the lectures. So I would not go into the details of these lectures. I would only tell you that yes, this portion was also taught pretty well by Jasuja sir. So this is almost all the subjects I had covered so far. Means I have covered almost all the technical subjects. Only engineering maths is left by me. And so yes, so I had also solved the the workbook consists of 3 types of questions. One is the workbook questions. They will be solved by the faculties themselves. Means they would taught it in their lectures. And there are the practice questions and the assignment questions. The practice questions, the answers to them, the solution to them would be mailed to you later on, uploaded to the drive later on. From there you can copy it, download it and see it later. But the assignment questions will only get the answers. These are for us to clearly solve the questions, so that we can question our concepts and prove ourselves. So these are the 3 types of questions. So I had solved the practice questions from all. So believe me, it is means quite sufficient enough. And after that you can do the previous year question paper and the mock test. Yes, the previous year's question paper also, most of the questions from previous year's GATE have been present in the workbook. Okay, so the workbook questions, they are from previous year GATE and some extra questions. Okay, so if you do this, then you are good to go, quite good to go. And after that you have to take the mock test. And yes, one thing you have to keep in mind, that only hearing these lectures will do no good to you. Okay, so you have to keep just as I told you, from signals and system I had to take 4 copies of lectures. So like that you have to take lectures. Okay, you have to copy notes from it. Okay, so you have to write it in a copy so that you can revision it and see it if you forget anything while solving the question. So you have to take notes of it repeatedly. Seeing this will do no good. Okay, so kindly watch do not only watch it but take notes, means like you're attending a classroom. So please, so take it seriously if you want to do something in GATE. Okay, so this is more or less the review. So I guess I've stuttered a bit, some flaws were there, but please do comment below. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe it, share it, and please comment below so that I can improve myself. So yes, this is all I have to do. And if you want to take a look at GATE Academy, please see their website. It is www.gateacademy.co.in. Please do search it on internet, and please take a look at it. You'll surely be very much what I can say, you will surely like seeing the website and their thoughts, the thoughts of the toppers, so that you'll get to see. And yes, the course is very good, means if, and you know that in this pandemic situation you cannot attend any classroom courses. Okay, so in this you can opt for the G Drive course. I'd purchase the G Drive course or the pen drive course, you can also opt for it. So these are very good, means if you are determined, then this will be more than enough for you, even better than classroom courses. Okay, believe me, these are better than classroom courses. And yes, of the doubts, they have a GATE Academy learning app. You can find it on Google Play Store. Okay, so from there you can download it, and there you can share your queries. You'll get answers to it surely. I've done it and I've got the answers from it. Or you can mail them at pdcourse@gateacademy.com. so there you can mail them and you'll surely get reply back. So thank you very much. So please take care of yourselves in this pandemic situations. Thank you.